Okay, I'm going to walk you through your final exam review packet. Hopefully you all watch this. I'm going to have to do it in pieces because YouTube doesn't like long videos, and neither do you. So, inequalities. You just solve it just like an equation. You end up with r is greater than or equal to 3 halves. It's a closed circle at 3 halves, arrow pointing to the right. This one, after you solve it, the b's totally go away, so you end up with 26 is greater than or equal to 8. That's always true, all real numbers. Negative under a square root means you need I, so it reduces down into 6i root 10. When you have an I in the bottom, you're going to multiply by I over I. So you have to distribute the I. Negative 2 times I, negative 3i times I. Remember, I squared is negative 1, so this becomes a positive 3. I tried to cancel, but you can't because there's nothing they all have in common. Positive 3 minus 2i, and again, 6 times I squared is negative 6. For absolute value equations, you need to set up 2 equations. You have to isolate the absolute value, and then set one equal to the positive, one equal to the negative, solve both equations. So these are both answers. These are just simple 2-step equations. Combine like terms, subtract the 14, and so on. So y equals negative 9, z equals 4. Slope is y minus y over x minus x. So here you should have gotten 6 over negative 9, which is negative 2/3. I'll say it again, I've said it all year. The negative can be in the top, or in the bottom, or out in front. Here you should have had slope is 8/9. Y-intercept is negative 10/3. Y equals negative 5x minus 3. That's just plugging in the slope and y-intercept. This one's hard because the y-intercept is about a half, but you don't know for sure. So the first thing you have to do is write down your 2 coordinates. 4, 3, negative 4, negative 2. Find the slope. Now you could count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 8. Or you could do y minus y, which is 3 plus 2, over x minus x, which is 5/8. Then you need to plug into this formula to find